Let's make these ultimate spinach and corn patties, which are so easy to make yet very delicious. Hello guys, this is Soumya and welcome back to Dash of Delight. Before heading towards the video, please make sure to subscribe to the channel. In a pan, take just 2 teaspoons of oil and when it is hot, add half teaspoon of cumin seeds and grated ginger. I'm sorry my camera was not on when I added so couldn't capture it. Alright. So you can also use ginger paste here. So guys, I have not used, but if you want, you can also add chopped onion and garlic here. Saute them for few seconds and as soon as they start changing the color, add chopped spinach here. If you want, you can also blanch the spinach first and then add into it. If you are using baby spinach, you can use it as a whole and no need to chop. And if you are using the normal one, just chop it roughly and then add. Give the chopped spinach a quick stir and cover the pan for 5 minutes. Remember, we have not added anything as of yet, not even the seasoning. Then in 5 minutes, open the lid and you will see that the spinach has already started to reduce. So just add a pinch of salt here or as per your taste and again cover and cook for another 5 minutes. There we go. Okay, now here I've taken handful of sweet corn. There is no specific measurement or ratio. I have taken around 1/3 cup corn. You can increase or decrease as per your choice. Then roughly crush the corn like this. So I have used my manual chopper. You can do as you want. Alright, so look, here our spinach has nicely reduced. So transfer it in a bowl, let it cool down a bit, then add these crushed sweet corn kernels. Then time to add in some spices. So here comes half teaspoon paprika. You can also take red chili powder instead, half teaspoon roasted cumin powder, half teaspoon garam masala, handful of chopped cilantro or coriander leaves, and that's it. We don't need to add anything else. Now mix and knead the mixture with your hands. If you use a spoon for this step, you can mix everything together. But for squeezing and kneading part, please do use your hands. This step will take around 2 to 3 minutes. Then once this is done, add half cup of either chickpea flour or besan or refined flour or semolina or oats flour or whole wheat flour. Now here the choice is absolutely yours. So whatever you prefer or whatever available at your homes currently, you can use it. Now see, our mixture is absolutely ready. Now grease your hands properly with some oil. Then take small portions of the mixture and shape it in a form of a patty or a tikki or a kebab, whatever you call it. See, like this, and in a similar way make all the patties out of the mixture. Then in the same pan, take around 5 teaspoons or 3 tablespoons of oil and when it is hot, keep the patties on it and let them roast and cook from one side first and then on the other side. Then once more flip and roast on both the sides until it gets this dark color or they become kind of reddish in color. Well, your flame or heat should be at medium to high temperature. And that's it guys. Serve these hot and healthy patties with some ranch dip or tomato ketchup or even top it up with some salsa and enjoy. See you guys in the next video. Till then take care. Bye bye.